the quiet dawn where the morning wakes, soft clouds drift above the river de Maas. Silver waters breathe without a sound. Nature whispers where the reeds surround. A lonely fisherman casts with care, while gentle birds glide through the morning air. The ancient trees stand watch along the shore, guarding peaceful places forevermore. Every ripple tells a story, every breeze remembers time, old and new together flowing, nature's endless silent rhyme. Flow on, mighty river de Maas, forever free, carving tomorrow for the world to see. From quiet shores to waters wide, you carry hope with every tide. Where nature grows and dreams begin, life returns again within. Beyond the trees a newborn lake appears, born from earth through changing years. Machines still shape its distant side, preparing waters deep and wide. Yet reeds already claim the land as life awakens hand in hand, while ducks gather graceful and still, following nature's gentle will. A pushboat guides an empty barge, steady patience, calm and large, working waters old and new, sharing every changing view. Industry and nature meet, not as strangers but complete. Every season leaves its trace, adding beauty to this place. Flow on, mighty river de Maas, forever strong. You've carried life for centuries long. Through quiet mornings wrapped in gray, you always find another day. New waters born beside your stream, growing into nature's dream. Clouds may hide the golden light, still your beauty shines so bright. The birds will sing, the waters will remain, the trees will grow, and the tomorrow for the world to see. From quiet shores to waters wide, you carry hope with every tide. Where nature grows and dreams begin, life returns again within. The morning sings, calm and vast, along the timeless flowing river de Maas. We'll keep flowing forever home.